Are you looking for the best coffee makers? In this video we will look at some of the 8 best coffee makers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Drip Coffee Maker. Who it's best for, the Technivorm Moccamaster KBT is the best overall drip coffee maker we've ever tested. This high-end, handmade brewer is crafted for those who expect the best taste out of their brews, no matter the price. Why we love it, this machine is efficient. It quickly brewed a pot of delicious coffee in under 5 minutes. Coffee connoisseurs who enjoy fine-tuning their brew will appreciate the drip stop switch, which can be used to manually add pre-infusion or extend the brew time to your liking, a much appreciated feature for those who like to tinker with their coffee. It's also a beautiful addition to any kitchen and available in several sleek colors for those who prefer eye-catching appliances. What our taste panel had to say: in our tasting trials, testers found the brew to be intoxicatingly delicious. Every sip I take of this coffee is a spiritual experience, noted taste tester Rachel Lamore. The rich, complex, balanced flavor and luscious weight and texture blew us away. Lead taste tester Leslie Robinson said, "I loved the coffee made by this machine. It was an eye-opening experience to see how amazing home-brewed coffee can be." Should you buy it? In the world of drip coffee makers, the Technivorm Moccamaster is an S-tier machine that brews marvelous coffee. No other machine can contend with the Moccamaster on pure flavor. If the price isn't a deterrent, we highly recommend this brewer. Reasons to buy: makes wonderfully delicious coffee. Manual and modifiable bloom and brew. One-switch operation. Lightning fast brew time. Reasons to avoid: no programmable features. Number 2. Best Programmable Coffee Maker. Who it's best for, the Breville Precision Brewer is a great brewer for both those who prefer to dial in every aspect of their coffee, or program it and forget it until the morning. With this machine, you can do both. Why we love it: the Precision Brewer allows users to be as hands-on or hands-off as they want. The auto start is a very convenient feature for those who want to set their brewing ahead of time and wake up to freshly brewed coffee. We also love that we're able to adjust the bloom time, temperature, and flow rate of the coffee. And because the brew process is so malleable, so is the taste of the coffee. We were able to adjust it to our exact preferences, which allowed us to extract delectable flavors from our brew. It even comes with both a flat and a cone-shaped brew basket to pull different flavor notes from the coffee grounds. What our taste panel had to say: for taste testing, we brewed the coffee using the Precision Brewer's Gold setting, which is the mode optimized for taste. Our taste testers noted that the coffee was palatable, neutral, and smooth, with a fleeting finish, while others noted that the coffee tasted somewhat light. All of our taste testers found the coffee to taste quite good, and one noted that it tasted very refreshing. Should you buy it? This higher-end unit is a great value for what you get. Whether you're someone who wants to be able to program your brewer during the work week when you wake up early or dial in the precise settings for your machine, we highly recommend the Precision Brewer. Reasons to buy: adjustable flow and temperature. Comes with 2 brew baskets. Auto start function. Light, balanced coffee. Reasons to avoid: quite expensive. Number 3. Best French Press. Who it's best for, if you're all about the tactile nature of brewing with a French press and appreciate the elegance of the plunge and pour, but the risk of finding excess coffee grounds in your cup is off-putting, consider the Secura stainless steel to be your knight in shining armor. It excelled in our filtration tests, letting nary a granule of coffee bean slip through its filter. This resulted in super clean coffee that was smooth and easy to drink. How it performed in our taste tests: we couldn't ask for much more from a press. The Secura stainless steel reinforces the brand's high-quality reputation by producing a consistent cup of ideally brewed coffee. It makes some of the tastiest and cleanest coffee I've had from a French press, noted taste testers. It's also one of the most insulating, keeping our coffee piping hot longer than any other press in our tests. And let's not forget to mention that it's available in several dazzling colors. Should you buy it? At a fair price, the Secura makes top-tier coffee, is well insulated, and is surprisingly durable. When I dropped the lid during my testing, the filter basket bent, tester Leslie Robinson said. But the steel was easy to bend back into shape, and it continued to perform as if nothing had happened. For these reasons, the Secura's stainless steel is our favorite French press. Does plastic touch the coffee? No sizes available, 12, 17, 34, and 50 ounces. Reasons to buy. A clean brew. Delicious taste. Insulating. Reasons to avoid. Less sturdy components. Number 4. Best value espresso machine. Who it's best for? The Casabrews CM5418 wasn't designed to make many drinks at once, so it's best for homes or offices where the drink making will be spread out no more than 2 or 3 at a time. And since it's so affordable, this espresso machine is ideal for those in search of a no-frills machine that makes rich, tasty espresso, according to our taste testers. If you're on a tight budget, this will do the job and do it well. Why we love it, aside from the relatively inexpensive price, the best part of the Casabrews Compact is how easy it is to use. I found it simple to operate and maintain, one tester noted. The face of the machine houses 4 intuitive buttons and a big, easy-to-read pressure gauge, so you can make sure it's in the correct range for espresso. A knob on the side of the machine controls the steam pressure and hot water flow rate for making Americanos. And, other than some basic cleaning tasks, the only regular maintenance needed is a descaling every 500 cycles, which will likely be many months apart for most. Should you buy it? The Casabrews Compact is a capable espresso machine that pulls smooth crema-topped shots and can steam a cup of milk to a velvety froth in our testing. Where most of the machines we bought and tested cost hundreds of dollars for cafe-quality lattes, this machine creates nearly the same quality for a bargain. That said, the Casabrews Compact can't stand toe-to-toe against the top-ranked espresso machines we tested. For example, though you can control the steam wand pressure, we found that even at its highest setting, the pressure was weaker than we wanted. So, when steaming milk, the process took longer, even if the resulting microfoam did turn out satisfactory. But at the crossroads where value, convenience, and espresso quality meet, the Casabrews Compact reigns supreme. Pre-infusion, yes, time to make a latte, 2 minutes 58 seconds. Reasons to buy. Affordable. Simple controls. Compact. Available in an array of colors. Reasons to avoid. Vibrates when pulling shots. Weaker steam wand. Number 5. Great espresso machine for beginners. Who it's best for? If you live for easily made lattes and cappuccinos, the Breville Bambino Plus is your dream machine. It includes the best semi-automatic steam wand of any espresso machine we've tested, and cleaning, both short-term and long-term, proved to be fairly straightforward. Students, apartment dwellers, and even RV travelers will love this pint-sized brewer. We love the space-saving design. It has one of the smallest footprints of any machine in our lineup, making it super compact and easy to store on a shelf or neatly behind a cupboard door. All told, the Bambino Plus is an excellent choice for beginners who want the convenience of enjoying espresso at home without needing grade A barista skills. Why we love it. Learning to use a steam wand can be intimidating, but not with this model. Fill a pitcher with milk, set it under the steam wand, choose the temperature and texture you desire, and let the Bambino Plus do the work. Testers also love the espresso. The shots I pulled were fragrant and flavorful, Lamore said. We also found the Bambino to be easy to use and maintain. Should you buy it? Newbies eager to steam their first froth will adore this little latte maker. It's a great learner machine, but the convenience of the Bambino Plus will cost you. And, since it doesn't include a grinder, you'll have to buy one of those separately. That said, it also produces quality shots and supple foam that you'll enjoy making and drinking on the daily, so you get what you pay for. Pre-infusion, yes, time to make a latte, 4 minutes 3 seconds. Reasons to buy. Tasty espresso. Automated steaming wand. Compact. Tons of cool accessories. Reasons to avoid. Lax grinder. A little pricey. Number 6. Best single serve pod coffee machine. Who it's best for, if you're a one cup and go kind of person, a dedicated single serve coffee maker may be right for you, and the Nespresso by Keurig Vertuo is among the best. It makes great tasting coffee, better than just about any other single serve pod coffee, which makes the sacrifice of handcrafted coffee for the sake of convenience a bit easier to swallow. It's perfect for those who are short on time in the mornings but still desire a brew worth savoring. Why we love it: the machine automatically detects the type of pod you insert, adjusting the strength and size of the brew to match. Here's our favorite of the compatible pods. One of our testers noted, "The whole process took me just a few minutes, and it brews a cup of coffee or espresso with a rich crema that I enjoyed, and since Nespresso's disposable pods are made of aluminum instead of plastic, they don't leave a chemical aftertaste and are recyclable." Should you buy it? For a machine that makes coffee with pre-packed pods, the Vertuo pumps out sumptuous coffee and strikingly strong espresso. It's reasonably priced, but its pods are more expensive than most, increasing its impact on your budget over time. And, while the aluminum pods are recyclable, you do need to go through the trouble of sending them back to Nespresso. This is also a big machine and will put a dent in your counter space. If you're set on a pod machine, though, this is the one we recommend. Brew method, pod smart functions, yes. Reasons to buy. Tasty, convenient coffee. Easy to clean. Recommended pods are recyclable. Reasons to avoid. Large. Nespresso pods are expensive. Recycling is an extra hassle. Number 7. Top Keurig Machine. Who it's best for: if you're Keurig curious, the Keurig K-Supreme is our favorite Keurig coffee maker we tested. It's the pinnacle of what a Keurig aims to be: a convenient and easy to use coffee maker that can quickly brew a tasty cup of coffee. It's a top option for Keurig loyalists who want to upgrade to a more premium machine. We also think it's great for any coffee drinker who desires both simplicity and convenience above all else. Why we love it: this machine brewed coffee that even our most discerning taste tasters enjoyed. The Supreme is incredibly easy to use, quick to clean and descale, and is fairly low maintenance. It also brews cups quickly, which is great for those who don't have a ton of time in the morning. What our taste panel had to say: the K-Supreme brews some of the best tasting coffee we've experienced from a Keurig coffee maker. Former cafe manager Arthur McMahon said that it made a robust cup of coffee, and that it pulled out the full flavor of the beans. Our team fawned over the smooth finish of the coffee it brewed and identified several pleasant flavor notes, including fruit, nuts, and chocolate. Should you buy it? We highly recommend the K-Supreme for its ability to brew great tasting coffee. It offers some of the best convenience of any coffee maker we've tested. Though it's on the pricier side of the Keurig lineup, it certainly isn't the most expensive, making it a great value for those who desire good coffee without sacrificing much time or energy. Cup sizes: 4 dimensions, 12.02 x 7.85 x 12.15. Reasons to buy. Lovely coffee flavor. Super consistent brew quality. Quick to brew a cup. Clean and intuitive interface. Reasons to avoid. Not many extra features. Number 8. Best value single serve pod coffee machine. Who it's best for: if you're drawn to Keurig machines for their ease and simplicity, we'd steer you toward the K-Mini. The singular button and no-nonsense design make it simple and easy to use, even for bleary-eyed, half-asleep night owls who wake up earlier than they want. Its compact dimensions fit in nicely in small apartments and cramped college dorms, making it a solid choice for young adults in need of their first coffee machine. Why we love it: we're huge fans of the multiple, fun color options. That, paired with its small footprint and minimalist design, makes it such a fun little machine that'll add a splash of personality to any countertop. You can store this small coffee maker in a cabinet if need be, and it's pretty quick to brew a cup immediately after plugging it in. How it performed in our taste tests: the K-Mini did fairly well in our taste tests, considering its low price and tiny size. One of our taste testers noted that the coffee it brewed was light and smoother than expected. That said, even though the brew tasted better than expected, it still allowed some slightly astringent and ashy flavors to make their way into the cups of our taste testers, but nothing a little cream or sugar couldn't cover. Should you buy it? This is an inexpensive, tiny, quaint brewer that'll get the job done. Simply choose how much water you want to brew with, from 6 to 12 ounces, and press the big start button. It's affordable and intuitive, but you don't have a lot of control over how the coffee is brewed in the K-Mini. It's a good buy for people with small spaces. Cup sizes: between 6 to 12 ounces. Dimensions: 11.3 x 4.5 x 12.1. Reasons to buy: simple and compact. Colorful options. Reasons to avoid: often splashes. The reservoir is not removable.